page 88, the top of the page, let's look at these symbols. We've been looking at these symbols for a little while, so you should know by now that this top line with two lines on the side, downstroke, the V going up is an upstroke, and the release and pressure of it's a comma at the end of a chord. Like, here's our release. There's the release. Do, dot, do, dot, do, dot. We have the note with an X and a stem. That means that we're striking a group of strings and they're deadened. No tone to it, just a click, click. It's really for rhythm and feeling the sense of time. I mean, we could have a lot of fun by having duets of me playing low and high. So there is a pitch, but it's really undetermined. And then we have the accent sign, which means strike sharply, play with more force. So knowing these symbols, we can look at that measure where it has C minor and G7. We have all eighth note attacks, and we have down, up, right? Downstroke, upstroke, and we have an accent on one, and a no tone sound where we strike the deadened strings with an upstroke on the end of 2 and the end of 4. So if I were just to play C minor, I won't change to the G7 yet. It would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With the G7, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Sounds much better than to have those deadened strings. Really gives it the dee-dee-ditch, dee-dee-ditch, da-da-datch. Now the next measure there, we have a dead sound on the end of 2, the end of 3, and the end of 4. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and... This rhythm is good for mostly any type of Latin beat where you have most Latin beats have even eighth notes and different accents. So this is a good one, as it says in the book, a basic Latin beat which will work with the cha-cha, the guin, samba, and others. It's a good one for if anyone say, let's just make this tune with a Latin feel, you can do even eighth notes.